Hi folks, JD here again with another quick video. I just wanted to provide a quick update. Apologies for the not so good sound quality. I'm doing this on a laptop. I'm working on a PCP Calculator app which is based on the spreadsheet which some of you have already purchased from me. And I just wanted to do a very quick demo as to what it's currently looking like. It's not quite finished yet. I'll probably also make an app for the EV salary sacrifice scheme as well. EV salary sacrifice spreadsheet as well. So if you want copies, please do drop me a line in the usual way. So let me just show you what this app can currently do. Very similar, you can enter the total amount, the total purchase price, any deposit that you're going to put into the deal, any dealer deposit contribution that you're perhaps given. It then will tell you how much finance you're taking on. You can enter the guaranteed future value or zero if it's a standard HP agreement. Option to purchase fee, you can enter the starting month, you can then enter the APR either as text or you can use the plus and minus keys to see in real time how the repayment will change, enter the term just as normal, and then it will give you the total charges, the total cost and your regular monthly payment. There is a second tab so you can compare two different deals, and then just the same as a spreadsheet you can see it will give you comparisons. There's also a voluntary termination calculator for the first tab. So in this example, look, it's telling us that we could technically VT after 28 months or August 24. There will hopefully be an amortization table as well, but I'm still working on that because it looks a bit messy at the moment on the app. Okay, so that was just a quick update. I hope you're all well, and I'll be in touch and make another proper video once it's ready to be purchased. Thanks for watching. Take care.